Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com, the healthiest way to brew coffee for lower cholesterol. Brewing coffee with paper filters is best for heart health compared to unfiltered coffee, which contains cholesterol-raising compounds. Unfiltered coffee, such as Scandinavian boiled coffee and Turkish coffee, has the highest levels of diterpenes that can raise LDL, bad cholesterol levels. Replacing machine-brewed coffee with paper-filtered coffee 5 days a week may reduce cardiovascular disease risk by 13% over 5 years. While unfiltered coffee may negatively impact cholesterol, coffee in moderation, 3 to 4 cups per day, is associated with lower mortality and heart disease risk compared to no coffee consumption. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.